Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. In the last tutorial, I have created this panel for the product. But to add product in the database, we need brand and categories. So first we will add brand and categories in the database, then we can add product information in the database. So let's start with the brand. For that I have created this file brand.php. As you can see, I have used the same panel which we have created for the product in the last tutorial, but I have changed uh, from product to brand, as you can see here. And since we need this information for the brand, so I have changed this information. Now if you execute this code, it will look like this, as you can see. Now what we need to do, when we click this button add brand, it will show a model. Through that we will insert our model information. So we need to create a model, so I will create a model fed, and id will be same as we have used here, and we will close this one. Second one is the model dialog, and third one is the model content. We will close this one. So we need to create a model header. We will call this, assign this class model header, close this div, and it will contain heading of the model. We will assign this class model heading, in fact model title, close this h4 tag, and assign class fa plus, it would be better, and button is equal to button, class is equal to kilos, and data is equal to, basically it will be a close button. When we click on this button, it will close the model. Now let's execute this one. Now if you click this button, it will show this, as you can see. Still I think we have missed, we need to add brand. Okay, so it's fine. Now what we need to do, we need to add body for this model. We will create div class is equal to model body. We will close this one. It will contain label for brand name, close this one, and assign the class column md sm3, and will be control label, and it will be in div class is equal to farm group, and we will call it brand name. Second, we will add column, class is equal to column sm8, close this one, and add the input type is equal to text, name is equal to brand name, class is equal to farm actually close the label. Now everything looks good. Now let's execute this one. As you can see, it should be column, and we will add a form action is equal to, we will add it later, and we'll assign the class farm horizontal. Central, and we will close the farm. Still I have missed something. I have to push for a while. Actually, it's not E, it's A. As you can see, now if you execute, it will look like this. So we have added the brand name. Now if you close and click, this will be closed. So next element we will add here is basically the options. Div class is equal to farm group label, and similarly it will have status, call this status, div class column sm8. We will add a select combo box. Div class is equal to select form control. We call this select. First option is the available, second is not available. To close this one. Now if you execute this, it will show this, look like this. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to add a footer. So we'll create a class model footer, footer, and it will contain button type is equal to button, class is equal to btn default, and data dismiss is equal to model, and we will call this as close. And second one is basically a submit button, submit. This is between primary, now let's execute this one. As you can see, it will look like this. We will call this save changes. So we have successfully created a model for the brand. In the next tutorial, I will add this brand information in the database. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.